Hey guys, my name is Campbell McDonald and today I'm going to be showing you a basic experiment you can perform to demonstrate acid-base reactions. Now, an acid-base reaction is a chemical process typified by the exchange of one or more hydrogen ions between species that may be neutral or electrically charged, in this case. So what you need to do this is vinegar, baking soda, an empty bottle and a balloon. So what you need to do is fill up your empty bottle about halfway with vinegar. This helps if you have a funnel of some sorts. Alrighty. And then you need to fill up a balloon with baking powder, which I did earlier. So what we're going to do is pop the balloon over the top of the bottle without letting any baking soda spill in it. And what we're going to do is tip up the balloon and allow the baking soda to run into the vinegar. So as you can see, the balloon is expanding. What's happening here is the baking soda is reacting with the vinegar, causing carbon dioxide. As the carbon dioxide fills the bottle, it fills the balloon. So this is a basic experiment you can perform at home to demonstrate acid-base reactions. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. See you next time.